What's up, man?
How you doing? John, nice to meet you.
John. So, yeah, so this is a 2.4, right? What's up, buddy?
All I know it's out of a Z. It was going to go into a Nash Metropolitan that I'm building convertible. We could not get it to work because the trans is too long.
Yeah.
So I picked up a Datsun 510 motor, and I'm going to put that in instead. It came out of a running, driving 240Z that rusted to the ground. And my buddy said, hey, you want it for that build, and we pre-fitted it about a month ago and said there was no way to make it work unless you wanted to shift behind you. Yeah. So it's not locked up. Yeah. It's got good oil in it. It's got antifreeze in it, and I just pulled the drive shaft out of it. When we brought it over here, it pulled clean oil out of the tranny. I mean, real clean. Nice. So cool. I think you got a good engine, and if you clean up.
Yeah.
Now I'm telling you, it's been sitting. I mean, that's why the price is the way it is. But I don't think you're going to have to build it because I personally knew the guy that owned it. So when it was parked 7-8 years ago, it was running.
Yeah.
And these motors typically
no, it looks
fine.
Complete. No, this will work. Let me check two things real quick.
All right.
It's a P30 on the block. That means it's a 2.4. Cool. I'll take it, bud.
I knew you would.
Yeah.
I know what it's worth. I don't care.
Dumb not to.
I got a good deal on it, so it's going to a good home. It's kind of nice it's going back in the 240.
Yeah, it'll be well loved.
So.
Cool. 300 bones, count it out.
Oh, she's coming out.
Yeah. Lizzie.
Oh no.
Come here. Oh, come here.
Yeah, as long as Jack ain't out here, you're fine. Jack's, we're keeping him inside till you're gone.
She's super friendly. She just wants to be.
That dog's real friendly.
Cool.
So what we can do is we can, like I said, if you'll drop the ramp, we can spin it around. I'll keep it from falling over. We should be fine. All right. All right. So, you ready? Wait, not yet. Hang on. All right, let's do it.
Go up. It's really heavy. Let's try this real quick and then we'll.
You guys. Are you ready?
Okay, that's it.
Get up there. Now that you got it started.
Let's go.
Whoa! Whoa! Well, there went 8 grease. All right, I've done all I can do here.
Well, shoot on.
Probably another 1.5 foot and get it right on top of that.
I can't do that. It's just slipping.
Damn.
You got a little heavier, didn't it?
That is a heavy engine.
I think you're close. Yeah. Yeah. You're in now.
And like that. We'll strap it down. That'll work. Thank you, sir. Appreciate your time.
No problem at all.
Look for the video. Hopefully we'll see it here soon.
Yeah. Good luck with the build, guys.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Ready, Lucy? Let's go.
There you go. Come on.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks, sir. I think that's great.
Professional. Okay, so we just got back. We got the engine here. We're going to load it, try to put it into this garage with a little, we have one moving caster. So we're going to try and use that. This thing is deceptively heavy. I thought we could pick it up by hand. Totally wrong about that. So put everything on it. I mean, it's been sitting for 8 years. Looks a little rusty and crusty, but the shifter's good. There's clean oil coming out of the transmission. Still coolant in the block. I mean, everything. Nothing speaks that it wouldn't run. So I got a good feeling about it. So we're going to go ahead and get unloaded. Hopefully not break our back. That's starting to get cool.
Let's drill 2 holes. Do you have any washers?
I don't have a drill. My battery's.
What have I taught you?
I know.
Anything. You
I know. I do have a drill. You have a lighter?
No, I stopped smoking.
Nobody
this
smokes.
morning.
I have a lighter.
Man, you're serious about your smoking.
Yeah, it's a bad habit. That's not going anywhere.
I'm gonna stabilize it.
Hold on. You can use mechanical advantages of the rolling type.
There you go. Yeah. One, two, three, go. Comment, ready? Comment, we'll get it all going. Ready?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
That's how they built Stonehenge.
Alright, so we got the engine back. It's pretty cool. It comes with a complete engine, starter, carburetors, transmission, alternator, water pump. Everything's connected front to back, even has the OEM fuel pump. So I'm really stoked on this engine, and inside it looks really clean. Transmission's just a regular 4-speed. I think we can sell that for a few $100. Hopefully cover the initial cost of this $300 engine. Comes with a new starter. Everything inside of it looks clean. Either way, $300 for an entire drivetrain. I'm super stoked about that. I think this will be a great deal. So wait for the next episode and we'll get it installed. Thanks for watching.